All right, what do you say, folks? Tuesday morning, we're ready to roll. Markets are mixed, just like yesterday morning. Not a lot of action in any of the major stock indices. Of note this morning, we had that retail sales number came out a couple moments ago. It was stronger than expected. However, a little bit of inflation baked into that number, so we'll see what impact, if any, that has on today's markets. Doesn't look like it's having any impact whatsoever right now. Jump over to FX. Some of the action we're seeing this morning, that dollar strength, notably against the euro dollar strength against the yen as well. A continuation of some of the strength we've seen over the past couple days. Big moves in the crypto markets this morning. All the major cryptos are down to the tune of about 5% or more. So a lot of weight on those cryptocurrencies. One of the bit more volatile events we've seen over the recent weeks. Oil, relatively flat, sitting at $81 a barrel in WTI. We've got some housing data due out tomorrow. We've got Federal Reserve governors both here onshore, central bankers, as well as central bankers offshore speaking over the next couple of days. So a lot of headline risk out there over these next few trading days as we lead into that Thanksgiving holiday. All right, folks, let's make it a good Tuesday. Trade some of that price action. I'll see you tomorrow.